I hate to break the news to everyone, but my makeup looks don't really match the attire that I wear, and that is because from a very long age I have rebelled to the color of pink, which is very surprising because my eye look is basically all pinks. A long time ago, a friend in high school asked me why I like the color black so much, and I jokingly said because it's the color of my soul. But there's like hints of sparkles and glitter into it. But I digress. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is summertime, although sometimes it doesn't feel like it. Today it's finally sunny instead of being gloomy for the past few days, so yes. But I've had this look in my head for a few weeks and I wanted to call it something peachy, something pinky, but honestly it's just makeup way out of my comfort zone. And there's no really true inspiration to it except for I want to pick colors from certain palettes that I just don't gravitate towards because they are way out of my comfort zone or my expertise. Also, these lashes, I have pretty long lashes naturally, so this was very much a very bam. So if you don't know who I am, my name is K-Lyn. I would love it if you like, comment, and smash that subscribe button for more videos. Follow me on Instagram, which will show up right here. And please follow me on TikTok, which will show up right here. And let's get right into the video.
Hello my dudes, let's get started. So priming my face, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover RX Face Primer. This is me realizing I don't have any more left in the bottle. Applying that all over my face, and then I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion and warming it up between my ring fingers and applying it all over my lids. Get that under eye as well. I like to start with my brows before foundation, so I'll be using the Benefit Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil, oof, what a mouthful, and just slightly filling in my brows where they look sparse and focusing a little bit more concentration on my tail of the eyebrow. I like this pencil because since it has a thick crayon with the tip, it is literally goof proof just to fill in your eyebrows without any mistakes or harsh lines. To set it all in, I'll be using the Benefit Gimme Brow in Neutral Brown 3.5. Moving on to the eyes, I'll be using a base brush in the color Peach Butter in the Too Faced Peach Matte palette. And I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelid as a base color. With a fluffy crease brush and the color Peach Punch from the palette, I'm going to be using this as my transition shade on my crease and focusing a little bit more concentration on the outer third. Taking a small eyelid brush and the color Peach Cobbler from the palette, this is going to be my all over lid shade. With a small pointed brush, I'll be using the color Peach Sangria, and I'm going to be focusing this on my outer third and then bringing it on my inner third as well. I like this technique because it brings more of a highlight to the middle of the lid and creating dimension and depth. With a flat pointer brush and the color Just Right from the palette, this is going to be focusing on the outer third and I'm just packing it on to make a little bit more depth and dimension to the eye. With a large blending brush, I'm going to be using the shade Just Peachy, and I'm using this over the transition color, but then as well just making sure everything is blended out so it's nice and smooth. Ba-blam! Other eye completed. Onto foundation, I'm using the Nourish Sheer Glow Foundation, and I like to place the foundation on certain parts of my face, going across my jawline, and then using a damp beauty blender, I start from my neck and bringing the foundation upwards. I like doing it this way just to make sure that my foundation is blended from bottom to top. And then taking any extra foundation and applying this on the pointed side of the beauty blender underneath my eyes and bringing it upwards. Smudging out my lash line with Peach Punch real quick. For contour, I'm using the Cocoa Contour Palette from Too Faced, and I'm using the Kabuki brush and making sure I focus on my cheekbones and then all over my forehead and then on my jawline. I like tapping on the product and then blending it out to make sure I don't use too much product. You can tell by the palette that I mostly use medium cocoa. For contouring my nose, I use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Amber, and I just lightly draw on where I like to contour my nose, and then I just blend it out with my finger. This is me debating whether or not to use false lashes. I choose yes. With Kat Von D's Felt Tip Liner in Trooper Black, I am carefully, and I mean carefully, making a thin black line across my lash line. The liner is predominantly used to cover up the false lash band. Cue the false lashes. Ooh, so nice! For mascara, I'll be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black, and I'm just applying this to the bases of my lashes, just to make sure everything looks seamless, and then applying it to my lower lashes as well. For my lips, I'm using the Too Faced Melted Matte in Sell Out, and I'm just applying this all over my lips. I love this color because it's still pink, but it's not in your face either. To set my face, I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter, and at some point I'm going to figure out how to not show my products upside down. Using the biggest fluffy brush I can find, and the color Gator Wings from the Swamp Queen palette, I'll be using this as my highlight on my cheekbones, tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, and in my inner corners.
And that's it for the look. What do you guys think? Do you think I pretty much pulled it off way outside my comfort zone? Or is this within my comfort zone now? We will never know. But thank you so much for watching. Like I said at the beginning, please like, comment, and smash that subscribe button for more videos. Please follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Pretty much shenanigans on both platforms. And yeah, have a great day. See you guys later.
K-Lyn,
Yes,
are you awake?
I've been awake since 7.
Are you decent?
Yes.
Well, I thought I'd ask before I borrow jinx. I know you're not working.
I am filming.
Are you?
Yes. No, you can't. This is my safe place.
I'm not going to get in your picture. I'm going to be the voice. This is God. Ooh.